In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup timelines versus Gantt charts in just 5 minutes. We'll start by navigating to the Clickup website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or if you're using a bookmark, click directly on it to get to Clickup's homepage. Once there, glance up to the top right corner and find the Login button. Give it a click. On the login page, you have a few options, but for today, we're keeping it simple. Click on Continue with Google and select the Google account you'd like to use. This is a straightforward way to access your workspace without needing to remember any additional passwords. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to head over to your workspace. Look to the left-hand panel on your screen, which acts as your main navigation hub. In this panel, you'll find all sorts of ClickUp features. Click on your specific workspace to enter it. Once inside your workspace, let's explore the timeline view. Click on the timeline option, which will immediately present you with a linear display of your tasks arranged chronologically. This view is particularly useful when you need a clear overview of everything coming up due to its simplicity and straightforwardness. As you hover over each task, you'll find details like start dates, end dates, and more, giving you an at-a-glance understanding of your project's timeline. Next, we're switching to the Gantt view. Again, navigate to the same panel and select the Gantt chart option. The Gantt chart is more intricate and best for detailed planning. What makes it unique is how it illustrates task dependencies and progress over time in a way that's both detailed and visually appealing. You'll notice lines connecting tasks, showing their dependencies, which help you strategize and understand which tasks must be completed for others to begin. In practice, the timeline view is excellent for high-level oversight, while the Gantt chart is indispensable for in-depth project management. Understanding the difference between these two views ensures that you can switch between overarching project tracking and detailed planning seamlessly, making ClickUp a versatile tool in your project management toolkit. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or new to these concepts, I hope today's quick tutorial has given you some insight. Remember, the beauty of ClickUp is in its flexibility. So, spend some time exploring both these views to find out which works best for your specific needs. That wraps up our guide to using ClickUp timelines versus Gantt charts. Thanks for watching.